Hi, in this video I will show you how to use effect on the CapCut. So the process is pretty simple. First of all, open your CapCut application and create a new project. Once you will do it, now you will see you have to enter some video to whom you want to give the effects, and now split your video and simply you have to click on the effects from here. So effects are here. Select any of the effect from here, download it and apply it on your video like this. There are many effects here: trending, basic, mood, variety, love, bling, shadow. Select the effects according to your choice and apply it, and after that tick it and you will see effect is here. So in this way you can add effects in your videos by using the CapCut. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.